Hello, let's start our facial massage process. All the benefits and other Q&A are given in the description box. So let's start by applying any face oil or the moisturizer which is suitable to your skin. Apply it on all over your face and on your neck. Now let's start by practicing on our neck. Using your all four fingers, start massaging on the sides of your neck. Give a very gentle pressure and do it for 10 rounds. Repeat on the other side. Okay, now let's work on the jawline. Using our first two fingers and thumb, we are going to hold our jawline and then we need to move our fingers in the upward direction. We need to slide them up for 10 counts. By practicing this, we can get a very nice and defined jawline. Okay, now let's repeat on the other side as well. Same for 10 counts. Okay, now let's work on our cheek area. Using all our four fingers, we are going to slide them up in the upward direction. Like this. We are going to repeat it for 10 counts again. By practicing this exercise, we are going to reduce our wrinkles and also we are going to help our skin to become more toned and firm. Let's repeat on the other side as well, same for the 10 counts. Now let's work on the upper lip and chin area using our first finger. We need to move it on the left and right direction for 10 counts. And relax. Okay, now using our first two fingers, we are going to work around our ear. We need to move it in the front and back direction. Like this. Let's do it on the both sides together. Do it for the 10 counts. Just relax yourself. And repeat the process. And relax. Okay, now let's work on our nose. Using our index finger, we are going to move it in the up and down direction. Do it on the sides of your nose for 10 counts. Okay, now let's repeat it on the other side. And relax. We can repeat the same process on the center part of our nose. And relax. Okay, now let's work on the under eye area. Using our first two fingers, we are going to slide them up starting from the under eye till our temple region. Again, we are going to repeat it for the 10 counts. When we are working on our under eye area, we need to be more careful. Do not give much pressure, give a very nice and gentle pressure. Let's repeat on the other side as well. And relax. Now let's work on the forehead area. Using our index finger, we are going to slide it in the upward direction and we are going to lift our skin in upward direction. Do it for the 10 counts. And relax. Okay, now using our all four fingers, we are going to slide them down on the sides, starting from the center till our temple region. Just close your eyes and feel relaxed. Just feel the stretch you are getting, the pressure you are getting on your forehead. Relax your forehead and done. Okay, now using your thumb, what we are going to do is we are going to give a nice pressure on our eyebrows, starting from the front till the corner of our eyebrow. You can close your eyes, just feel relaxed and repeat it for 3 times. And relax. Okay, So now let's conclude our massage by lifting our skin in the upward direction. Now let's start massaging our face and our neck. A very nice gentle massage, just like a feather touch, on our cheeks, on our upper lips, chin, our neck. And there you go.